Today we're demonstrating the YJACK P51 870 Titan digital manifold and YJACK wireless psychrometer while servicing an HVAC unit. We're going to be taking supply and return air duct measurements while showing some of the cool features of the P51 870 and YJACK app. Let's get to work. The YJACK psychrometer is easy to operate with a simple power button and a single status LED that is solid during startup and then flashes every 2 seconds when readings are being broadcast. The flexible wand and mounting magnet ensure stable placement of the probe where accurate readings can be taken. Note the Bluetooth ID labeled on the back of the device. We'll use this ID to assign the probe later on. We'll place this YJACK psychrometer on the supply air duct. This second YJACK will be placed at the return air side of the unit. With the YJACK probes in place, let's power on the P51 870 Titan digital manifold. Select pressure temperature session. By default, the manifold pressures are displayed. But by tapping in the middle of the gauges, the app first brings up the pressure temperature line graphs. Tapping a second time changes the display to the psychrometric readings screen. To assign the psychrometer probes, tap on the gray box below the blue supply side graphs. A list of available YJACK psychrometer devices will appear. To assign the supply air readings, tap on the Bluetooth ID of the psychrometer placed inside the supply air duct. Repeat this process for the return air on the right side of the screen. The supply and return air relative humidity and dry bulb temperatures are graphed, and numeric readings are displayed for the relative humidity, dry bulb, wet bulb temperatures, and the dew point. Keep in mind that the P51 automatically logs all of the system readings to its internal memory. The manifold can be plugged into a computer with the provided USB cable, and these data logs can be downloaded and stored for further reference or further analysis. These psychrometric readings can also be displayed on any smart device running the YJACK app. To get started, download and launch the YJACK app from a smart device. A list of available Bluetooth devices will appear and should include the 2 YJACK probes attached to the system. To view the psychrometric readings, tap the 3-line icon in the top left corner of the screen and select Psychrometric Air Calculations. The supply air and return air readings can be assigned by clicking on the dashed lines and selecting the appropriate device. Just like the P51 870, the YJACK app displays the supply and return air relative humidity, dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, and dew point. All of these readings can be minimized or maximized to customize the displayed data. By default, the readings are displayed in numeric format, but the graphical displays are available on the YJACK app as well. To log the psychrometric data, tap on the 3-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Create Data Log. Select the logging rate, toggle on the psychrometric air calculation session type, and tap Save. A recording icon will appear, and the data log can be started by tapping the icon. To end the data log, tap the Stop icon. You can then save and email the file for future reference. To take a screenshot at any point during the reading session, tap the 3-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen and then take screenshot. This has been a demonstration of the P51 870 Titan digital manifold and the 67063 YJACK wireless psychrometer. For more details, visit YJACK.com for product and customer support information.